Sending money on T-Mobile is a straightforward process that allows you to transfer funds easily. Follow these steps to complete your transaction. Step 1. Access T-Mobile app. Open the T-Mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from your app store and log in with your T-Mobile account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Money Transfer. Once you are logged in, look for the Money Transfer option in the app's menu. This may be located under a section related to payments or services. Step 3. Enter recipient information. Input the recipient's details, including their phone number or email address, depending on the options available. Ensure that the information is correct to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Step 4. Specify amount. Enter the amount of money you wish to send. Double-check the amount to ensure it is accurate before proceeding to the next step. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily send money using T-Mobile. Always ensure you have the correct recipient information to avoid any issues.